so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey! My name's Blippi, and look at what's behind me. Wow! It's an airplane! And today, I'm at Kenmore Air, and you and I are gonna learn about airplanes! Wait a second. Come here. This is no normal airplane. Yeah, this is a seaplane. And seaplanes can land and take off from the water. Whoa! Check it out! The seaplane just landed in the water. And now it's getting towed up this ramp to this forklift up here. So then it can be hauled off and worked on. What a beautiful seaplane! Let's learn the exterior parts of the seaplane. Come on! Whoa! Hey! Up here, that is the cockpit. In the main body, that is the fuselage. Ooh, and back here, that is the empennage. Ooh. Check it out, come up here. Oh, come to the front. Whoa. Now that is a big engine. Whoa. It looks like it has 9 cylinders. Whoa. And do you see this? That is the propeller. It spins around in a circle really fast. Whoa. Ooh. And down here, this is the exhaust. Whoa, check this out. Yeah, seaplanes are really unique because they have these. These are floats, one on each side. And that is what allows the airplane to land on water. Perfect. Oh, ooh, and floats actually have cargo compartments. Check it out. Whoa, you can put all sorts of things in there, like the fish you caught, some baggage like luggage, or even if it's really cold, like up in Alaska, you can even put coolant, antifreeze in there, so then the water doesn't freeze around it. Whoa. Whoa. We have some steps. Oh, hey, and do you see these things? Look, these? Yeah, cables. These cables are attached. They run all over the place, and then they go in the cockpit. And when the pilot pushes the foot pedals, it moves this rudder, one on this side and one on the other side over there. It moves it left and right. So then you can steer the airplane while it's in the water. Whoa! Hey, look over here. It looks like there's a paddle connected. Let's take it out. Whoa. Whoa. See this paddle? What it's used for is when you turn off the airplane, you can paddle, get nice and close to the shore or wherever you're going. Whoa! Whoa! Whee! seaplanes are so cool. Oh, hey, look at what's above me. Yeah, just like a normal plane, it has a giant wing. Whoa, one on each side. Ooh, and back here, it has a horizontal stabilizer fin and a vertical stabilizer fin. Wow. Whee! And you cannot forget about the colors. Look at how beautiful this aircraft is. Do you know what colors these are? Yeah, it looks like red, white, and blue. Whoa, look at the seaplane! They have some big floats and powerful propellers. Woo! Hey! Look, a giant hangar. Let's go check it out. This hangar is the maintenance hangar. This is where they maintain all of the seaplanes. Whoa, so big in here. Ooh, and the floor, it's so smooth and shiny. Hey, I know what that's good for. Dancing. Woo. Wow! Whoa, check it out. A seaplane, and the seaplane's engine is exposed. Look! Wow! Yeah, that looks like a really powerful engine. Oh, hey, and look, floats. Oh, I bet this seaplane can fly really fast, really far, and land on nice, smooth water. Whoa! Check it out. There's so many cool things in this hangar. Woo! Like this. Whoa, parts of an airplane. Whoa, there's so many of them. Oh, I wonder what all these parts are. Oh, hey! We know what these are. Yeah, these are the rudders. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoa, another seaplane. But this seaplane, oh, look at it. Oh, do you see something wrong? Yeah, wait a second. There's no engine. I bet this seaplane does not go far, does not go fast, and does not go on water. Oh, wow. Oh, hey, look. Yep, every maintenance shop has to have a bicycle. Whoa, whee! Whoa, whoa, whee! That is a nice bicycle. I don't know whose it is, but it's sure cool. Whoa, speaking of cool, look at this seaplane. This seaplane has a motor and floats and a cockpit door. Wow, it looks like it's ready to fly. Woo! Whee! Whoa, 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 whoa. Look right here. A big red tool chest. Wow, look, there's so many tools. Oh, geez, there's so many, I don't even know all of them. Ooh, and look over here. 2 giant floats. And these are called rivets. There's so many of them. I bet there's hundreds. Wait, no, I bet there's thousands. Oh, that's silly. Woo, look. A bunch of bolts. Wow, there's so many kinds of bolts. Wow, and they're nice and organized. That's really convenient how organized they are. Whoa. Okay, let's see what else is around here. Whoa. More parts of a bunch of seaplanes. Whoa, I don't know if these are the flaps or the ailerons or the horizontal stabilizer fins. I have no idea, but they're so cool. Check this out, another seaplane. But hey, they're all at different stages. In this one, it has a motor. Whoa, that is so big and so powerful. Look inside. Whoa, but there's no propeller. But look at the exterior. There's no wings. And there's no paint. It's all sanded. I bet they're redoing it to their liking. I hope they pick two colors. My two favorite colors to paint it. Can you guess my two favorite colors? Yep, blue and orange. Good job. Let's keep exploring. Woo. Oh. Hello. That's a maintenance person. Ooh, more floats. Whoa, and another engine. Whoa, so interesting. Wow. Oh, look over here. It's so cool looking. Well, this maintenance shop was sure fun to check out. Yeah! What Simon is doing is fueling the aircraft. And this aircraft uses Jet A fuel. Yep, just like in the car. You gotta put fuel in the engine. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Now, let's take a flight from the seaplane. Let's start on the water and then go up in the air. Let's enter from the back of the airplane. Okay, be careful. Whoa. It's so roomy in here. There's so many seats. I'm gonna go in the cockpit. Oh, here we go. Oh, hey! What's your name?
Jeff.
And this is our pilot. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Woohoo! This is gonna be fun. Up in the air, and now we're back down on the water. That was so much fun. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we learn some more about seaplanes? Hey, Hey, what are you doing way out here? Come on, let's learn the interior parts of the seaplane. Woohoo! Whoa! Okay, first you have to open the door. So then you can go inside. Here we go! Come on! Whoa! It's so roomy in here. Whoa, there's so much room. It's like you can dance. Woo! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! Check out back here. Wow! This is a cargo area. Look! Whoop. Oh! Hello! Hello! You can put a lot of luggage back here. Ooh! And there's also a fire extinguisher. Ooh, and there's some motion sickness stuff. We won't need that today. Ooh, a med kit. So many cool things. Whoa! Let's look up front. Wow! There's so many seats! Whoa! It's like I could sit in this one! Or I could sit in this one! Hey! Or this one! Hello back there! Oh! Or I could sit in this one! Whoa! Whoa! Or I could sit up in this one! Come on! This seat is for the pilot. Whoa! Look at the yoke! Whoa! Whoa! This is how you steer and fly the seaplane. There's so many gauges and instruments. Wow! There's so many of them. Oh, but here's one right here that I know what to do with. Hello, hello! Do you copy? This is Pilot Blippi. We want to take off from the water and go up in the air. Do you copy? Yeah! All right, thank you very much. Okay, we have permission to go flying. Woohoo!
It can float on water and fly in the sky. It's a seaplane, a seaplane. Out on the ocean in the clouds so high. It's a seaplane, a seaplane. It's a little airplane with propellers and wings, and a float on the bottom so on water it doesn't sink. Whoa, seaplane flying all around. Seaplane landing on water and the ground. It flies to the places other planes can't reach, like tiny little islands way far out to sea. Whoa, seaplane flying all around. Seaplane landing on water and the ground. Take a seaplane when you're on vacation and fly to amazing destinations in a seaplane, a seaplane. It can float on water and fly in the sky. It's a seaplane, a seaplane. Out on the ocean in the clouds so high. It's a seaplane, a seaplane. Oh, seaplane flying all around. Seaplane flying all around. Seaplane landing on water and the ground. Landing on water and the ground. It's a seaplane, a seaplane. It's a seaplane, a seaplane.
Blippies are like the seaplanes of the bird kingdom. They can fly in the air and land on the water. Hello! Ooh, we're back at the mechanic shop. There's so many cool things. Oh, look over here. Whoa, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Maddie.
This is Maddie, and what do you do here?
I'm the seaplane mechanic.
Ooh, a seaplane mechanic. And what she was just doing was changing the spark plugs. And what did you find?
But the engine was bad.
Oh no! Hello! Whoa! Whoa! Seaplanes are so cool because they can land and take off from the water and go way up in the air. Special thanks to Ken Moore for making this video possible. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. See you soon. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!